Hey guys, welcome back. In my last video, we talked about CTEs in SQL. So today, we will be learning another important SQL concept, which is called subqueries, in a very simple way with the same CTE employee database. So what is a CTE? Simply put, what is a subquery? A subquery, simply put, is a query inside another query. So think of it like asking SQL one question first, then using that answer inside another query. So let's look at our data, our table. Let's see what our table looks like. Let's select all from this table. Okay, let's select all from this table. If we should run this, we will see the employee ID. Our table has employee ID, employee name, department, and salary. So this is a query. Now we want to filter to see employees that has or that receive salary or that has salary that is above average salary. So employees with salary that is above average salary. In order to do that with subquery, we are going to write a query. This query is going to be our subquery later. So this query is going to be the average salary. It's going to give us the average salary. So let's write a query that will give us the average salary. So select average salary, AVG. Then let's put the salary here, salary. So select average salary from this our database table. So this query will give us the average salary. So what's the average salary? What's the issue here? Select average salary. Okay, we didn't include alias as avg underscore salary, right? Underscore salary. Okay, so let's run this. Let's run this to see our average salary. Okay, so what is the issue? What am I doing wrong here? What am I doing wrong here? Let's run this one to see what am I doing wrong here? Okay, this is the table. Then this second query. Okay, I think here is a problem. I need to reference this table correctly. That's where the problem, that's where the issue is from. So let's run this and see. Select average salary. Select average salary as this as. Okay. So that is it. The average salary 5,233 is the average salary. So this is the query that we will later use inside the main query. Okay, so with this now, let's select, we want to see the employees that actually has a salary that is above the average salary. Remember, this query is our average salary query. So let's select, first of all, let's select employee name. So we're going to select employee, their name, then we select the salary because we want to see the salary as well. Select the salary from this main table, this database table. Now we're going to filter where salary is what? Where salary is greater than what? The average salary. And what is our average salary? We're going to our average salary is this query that we wrote earlier. So let's just cut this, or let's cut it and paste it. We cut it and paste it. We cut it and paste it here. And before you paste it, you put it inside an open and closing parenthesis. So let's paste it here. You see, we paste it here. So this, I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Well, let me try to make this screen so you see what I'm doing properly. This is really long. Okay, let's see how I can let's see if I can split it. See if I can split this. It will be easier to read, right? Yeah. Let me see. So select this as this from city. So I think this is easier to read. So what is happening here basically is this: we are writing a query which is to select employee name, employee salary from this database table. Then we are going to filter now where their salary is greater than. You see, so this is the subquery. This query now is a query inside this main query. We are writing this query inside this main query. So this is the subquery. So if we should run this query now, you will see that we have Sarah and Michael having salary that is greater or above the average salary. Remember, we were able to do this with the CTEs. We were able to do this with the CTEs. So that is the subquery basically, and that is how it works. It is the query inside another query. You first of all write the query, which is the average salary. Then you later use it, you copy the entire query and put it inside the main query that you are writing later on. So that is the subquery, and that is how it works. Thank you.